All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about part 2 of the SCX24 C10 builds. And you guys aren't going to believe what these things look like now. So why don't you guys stay tuned? All right, well, welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at these bad boys. So there's the little blue, my wife's SCX24 C10 you can see there, and there's my bad boy. Now these guys are done up identically. One little difference between the two is, if we open up my wife's here, I ended up having to put springs on the front because this guy with, see if we can get into focus here. So you can see the micro Komodo in there. When this thing gets too low, it kind of bottoms out there. So I had to add the springs to it so when it's riding with the shell up, it sets up just a little bit higher. So we're gonna see, I might have to do a little bit more modifications with the skid plate and maybe change out the, because you can see how it just kind of goes inverted a little bit, goes vertically there. It may be these Injora front links, but we're gonna check it out. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we've got the carbon fiber scythe chassis rails installed. We've got the new Furetex Ultra ESC. We have that installed, and then we also got, you can see right there, we've got the micro Komodo with the interstellar transmission. Now, also, you can see up here, we've got, you can see CCxRC right there. We got his, so you can see right there, we got the CCxRC Micro 99 servo, which is his Mighty Chihuahua servo installed. We also ordered the Reef's servo horn right here, because this is actually a 25 tooth spline, and so your normal ones aren't that big, so you can't really use any other style other than the 25 spline one. So you got to get these little small ones installed there. We've also got CCxRC's brass axles. We've got Injora, those 5mm extension weights right there. And I went with the 5mm, not the 7mm, because I didn't want to widen it too much, but I wanted to add a little bit more weight. And then of course we got the C-hubs here from Injora. We got Hot Racing's steering linkage installed in there. We've got Injora shocks. We've got, on the rear, we put CCxRC's diff housing, and you can also see we got the upper link mount from CCxRC. Now on the rear, we just put 5mm extensions, if you guys can see that there. 5mm extensions to kind of widen the wheelbase out. And then we got Maz Designs. There you go. We got Maz Designs. We got Maz Designs outer beadlock rings. We got those installed on my wife's rig. Now, on my rig over here, we didn't install them on there. I wanted to see what the difference is, and they've still pretty much weigh the same. So we're going to probably go ahead and get these installed at a later date. Now, if you notice, on mine, I have the regular Reef's 99 micro servo. When I installed mine and got everything up and running, for some reason, we did a test run, you know, with family being in town for the holidays. We did a little test run out in the backyard and my servo stopped working. So I took it apart thinking maybe we did something with the gears in the servo, but the gears looked fine. So I had this 99 micro for one of the other builds, so I went ahead and just threw it in this bad boy. Carbon fiber wise with the chassis rail, I've mounted them two separate ways. I mounted the ESC right here kind of at an angle to see if that, you know, that how that would work, versus on my wife's rig over here, you can see it's kind of lined up straight. Now we do have the CCxRC receiver installed in it. In both of them, they're connected up to our Noble 4 Pros. So we got those all running. And I've even got, you know, the LED lights. I got them connected up and ready to go. So there you guys have it. We've got this one built. You know, these things perform very good. We're going to get some run video up on all of these. And of course, you guys will see some YouTube shorts coming up soon. But let me go ahead and get you guys turned back around. So there you have it. I'm going to put a kind of a list down below of everything we put into these bad boys to get them up and running awesome. All right, don't forget to go check out CCxRC's website. He's got a lot of stuff on there for the 24 scales, including stuff on the 24 scale monster trucks, you guys, if you're wanting to build those. I haven't really decided whether I'm going to build one of the monster trucks yet. We will see. But right now we're just having a blast with these 24 scale crawlers, especially with our outdoor crawler course. And then we're kind of working on getting ready to build a big crawler course inside in our front room. So you guys will be having that coming here soon too. So that's about it. You guys will see some run videos here soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.